OpenStack is hot. You should learn it. The sooner the better. Approaching the 19th full release since its inception in 2010, OpenStack has become a mature cloud platform and getting a lot of traction. According to Forrester's research report, OpenStack has grown into a de facto standard platform for the private cloud market and serves as the foundation for public clouds. It is backed by more than 500 companies, including some of the biggest in technology. To name a few, Intel, Dell EMC, Oracle, VMware, Ericsson, HPE, IBM, NetApp, Juniper, Cisco, Brocade, F5, and SAP. Do you wonder why large telcos including Verizon, AT&T, and Deutsche Telekom are among the main sponsors of the project? The reason is, OpenStack's promise is not powering clouds only, it is also the main building platform for network functions virtualization. Transforming into an NFV-powered infrastructure makes sense for any service provider. According to researches, globally 71% of service providers are either in production or plan to be in production with OpenStack in the next 12 months. That transition is underway nowadays. Having experience with new technologies pays off. OpenStack and cloud computing are both relatively new areas with a high demand of expertise. Market research reports say that for the next 4 years, the yearly growth rate of OpenStack will be more than 30% despite the skill gap. According to several studies, the salary of an OpenStack expert is beyond average IT salaries. Add this skill to your resume. Finally, if you still haven't, you'll most likely face OpenStack soon, so why wait? Be on the frontier and collect the rewards.